Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what we think is the best Amazon Eero mesh Wi-Fi router alternative available right now. The TP-Link Deco BE23 Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. If you're looking to completely overhaul your home internet experience, this 3-pack mesh system could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's start with the core of this system, Wi-Fi 7. That's right, the Deco BE23 supports the latest generation of wireless technology. With BE3600 dual-band speeds, you're getting a combined throughput of up to 3.6 gigabits per second to 2,882 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 688 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz. That means faster downloads, smoother 4K streaming, lag-free gaming, and robust smart home performance. All the speeds you expect, and then some. But it's not just about raw speed. This mesh system features multi-link operation, multi-RUS, and 4K QAM. The kind of tech that ensures optimized performance even when you're running the latest devices like the iPhone 16 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Think of it as future-proofing your home network. With a 3-pack setup, you can blanket up to 6,500 square feet with strong, reliable Wi-Fi. Whether you're in a multi-floor home, working from the backyard, or gaming in the garage, the Deco BE23's high-gain antennas and powerful front-end modules ensure your signal reaches you. And yes, it supports 150-plus devices. So go ahead, connect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, consoles, security cams, and whatever comes next. One of the standout features of this system is the wired backhaul capability. Each Deco unit includes two 2.5 gigabits per second WAN, LAN ports. That's high-performance multi-gig Ethernet for those who want the speed and reliability of a wired connection, without compromising the wireless flexibility of mesh. And let's talk about security. The Deco BE23 is part of TP-Link's commitment to cybersecurity. It adheres to the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency's Secure by Design pledge. You also get TP-Link Home Shield, which offers real-time IoT protection, robust parental controls, and enhanced network security, all customizable via the Deco app. The AI roaming feature is another game-changer. As you move around your home, the Deco system uses intelligent self-learning algorithms to hand off your connection to the strongest node automatically. There's just one network name and no more manually switching Wi-Fi networks. It's seamless and automatic. For those who love smart integration, you'll be glad to know this system is Alexa compatible. You can control network settings and run diagnostics using just your voice. TP-Link gives you full control in a user-friendly way. And lastly, let's talk value. For under $200, you're getting 3 cutting-edge mesh routers, 2.5G ports, Wi-Fi 7, AI-powered roaming, security features, and coverage for a full home. Compared to other systems in the same range, the Deco BE23 punches well above its weight. With top-tier features, future-ready technology, and solid value, the TP-Link Deco BE23 checks every box for a modern home. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you want us to review next. See you in the next one.